nakaka-experience ako ng dryness, ng redness, ng irritation. So, ayun guys, and today, gagamitin natin itong product ni Hikari, itong Ultra Bright na Miracle Soap. And dito na ako sa CR because I am going to take a shower. And I just want you to see na talagang ginagamit ko yung product. And as you know naman, kung matagal na kayong subscribers or followers ng channel ito, I really make sure to try to test the product sa aking skin so that makita natin kung ano talaga yung result ng paggamit sa kanya. And I've been using the product for 3 days already and later gagawan ko siya ng first impression or 3 days of using the product. So ayun guys, and 3 days ko na itong ginagamit yung sabon ni Hikari and ito yung pinaka-soap niya. As you can see, blue and white yung kanyang pinaka-soap. And this is the packaging, as you can see. And let's apply na itong soap niya sa aking mukha at aking katawan. Actually, hindi ko siya binababad ng matagal sa face. Later, malalaman nyo kung bakit. But this is how it looks like kapag ina-apply na siya, ginagamit na siya. Oh my God, ang bilis niya mag-react sa skin ko. 1, 2, wash ko na agad siya kasi ang bilis mag-react nito sa skin ko. Later, malalaman nyo kung bakit. I have to wash it already. Oh my God, it stings sa face. Tignan nyo, yan. Nag-react agad yung aking mukha ko. This one. So, this is my face, guys. You can see, ang bilis na mag-react. Ang hapdi ng part ko dito at dito. So, yan guys. Tignan nyo, may redness sa aking face. Ayun o, nakikita nyo, may redness. Namumula yung mukha ko. You can see that. May redness talaga ako na-experience sa kanya. So, yeah, I just want you to see na I am really using the product. And 3 days of using the product, ito na yung soap na nagamit ko. And mabilis siyang matulong. So, later in the video, malalaman nyo, masakit sa mata. So, malalaman nyo yung aking first impression and 3 days of using the product. Okay, so yeah. Today, we have a new video, and with this one guys, I just want to remind you that this is not an in-depth review ng product ni Hikari na Ultra Bright Miracle Soap, but with this one guys, I just want to share with you my first impression and 3 days of using the product because using the product consistently for 3 days, I have experienced mga negative reactions and I want to share with you kung ano yung mga yon and para kung gusto nyong itry at gusto nyong subukan yung product, makaiwas kayo dun sa mga negative reaction na na-experience ko, okay? I make sure na tinatry siya sa aking skin para may share ko sa inyo kung ano yung aking na-experience upon testing, upon trying the product sa aking skin, okay? So, ayun guys, and wag na nga nating pahabain. Simulan na nga natin yung aking share dito sa product ni Hikari. And ito nga yung product na yon. So, this one is the Hikari Essential Ultra Bright Miracle Soap. And if I am not mistaken, this is new to the market. So, ang daming mga magagandang review sa Black App. And talagang very encouraging yung kanilang mga review. Wala silang mga caution na binibigay dun sa kanilang review, but they claim to be maganda at talagang effective yung product. Now, with this one, I got this sa Black App for only 180 pesos, and sa 180 pesos, you'll get 5 items or 5 bars nung soap sa loob. And if you're going to buy or gusto nyo lang i-test, meron siyang per piece and it costs 45 pesos. So, they claim to be miracle soap because this one is 3-in-1 skin solution. It helps to brighten, clear acne, and hydrate and moisturize. So, really, for breakouts, for acne, and for whitening. Ang gaganda ng kanya mga ingredients na in-incorporate dito, it has niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, salicylic acid, and shea butter and coconut butter, vitamin E, and tea tree oil. More of whitening, and yung whitening na yon ay nakaka-exfoliate ng mga dead skin cells para ma-reveal yung ating fresh and white na skin. What I love with the product ay ang gaganda ng mga active ingredients that they incorporated dito, and really that is good for whitening. Okay, so yun. Now, I just want to share with you using the product. Masasabi ko na this one is matapang siyang klase ng whitening na soap because nung ginamit ko siya ng first day, very drying siya sa skin, sa face and sa body, sa face and sa body, nung ginamit ko siya, nakaka-dry talaga siya and if ganon yung ma-experience nyo, you have to use yung mga body lotion that will help to moisturize your skin, same as with your face. Kailangan nyo gumamit ng moisturizer. Now, nung ginamit ko siya sa aking face, may na-feel ako na parang tingling sensation, pero right after that, wala naman akong redness na experience. Now, second and third day, may na-experience ako sa kanya na redness and irritation sa aking skin. Now, as you can see, may skin, hindi siya okay ngayon kasi kakatapos ko lang maligo in just, parang 1 hour ata. Kakatapos ko lang maligo and nagkaroon ako ng redness sa aking mukha. The other day, which is the second day of using the product, nagkaroon din ako ng redness. Nagpunta ako sa gym, tapos pagka-check ko sa salamin, ang dami ng redness ng aking face. So, same as today, ganun din yung na-experience ko nung paggamit ko sa kanya. So, now, ang ginagawa, I think na best way to use this product ay hindi siya i-leave ng ganun katagal sa face. For 1 minute is enough, or 59 seconds or 60 seconds. Pwede nyo na siyang banlawan. But in my case, using it again sa aking face directly, sobrang may na-feel na ako na tingling sensation, redness, and irritation sa aking skin. So, what I do after ay naglagay ako ng moisturizer, and now medyo kalmado na yung aking skin. Nakaka-experience ako ng dryness, ng redness, ng irritation, pero nafe-feel ko na with this one, alam niyo yung feeling na kapag gumamit yun ng magandang sabon or effective na sabon, nafe-feel niyo na malapit na mag-exfoliate yung inyong skin, para siyang nababanat. Ganun yung aking pakiramdam right now. Sa aking face, ganun din, parang feeling ko, the next day, mag-feel na, or mapipil ko na yung mga micro-exfoliation sa aking skin. But the only negative thing that I don't like with the product is ayun yan, nag-redness, irritation, and tingling sensation ako na-experience sa kanya. And right after, kahit ilagay ko pa lang sa aking face, na-experience ko na ganun siya, may redness, may irritation na akong na-experience sa kanya. What you have to do kapag ganun, you have to discontinue using the product kasi possible nga na maging mas worse yung inyong skin condition. And if you want to continue, make sure na wag niyong ibababad ng sobrang tagal kasi possible talaga na magkaroon kayo ng redness, irritation. And in my case, kahit kakalagay ko pa lang, na-experience ko na siya. So, ang gagawin ko na lang siguro ay alternate ko siyang gagamitin. Today, tas the other day, papahinga, and the other day, continue kong gamitin sa kanya until magamit ko siya for 1 month. And i-update ko kayo what will be my skin look like or mamumuti ba ako using the product. And nafe-feel ko naman na with this one, this is so good and effective, but medyo matapang nga lang siya. So, you just have to be mindful na you have to use mga body lotion that will help to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Okay, so magagawa pa ako ng in-depth review ng paggamit ko sa kanya, but this is just a 3 days using it, and first impression nung ginamit ko siya. Again, nakaka-irritate, may irritation, redness, and tingling sensation ako na-experience sa kanya, plus ang dry niya sa skin. But I will continue using the product and let's see what will happen sa aking skin, okay? That's all, and I hope na you like this first impression in 3 days of using the product. And again, for whitening pala guys, baka makalimutan ko, 3 days of using the product, again, you will not see na maputi ang inyong skin. Pag ganito mga whitening product, mga 1 month para makita nyo yung improvement ng inyong skin. For 7 days, may tiny changes pero hindi pa din. Yun. So, for now, hindi ko masasabi na nakakaputi siya because 3 days ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. Okay? So, yeah, that's all. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this, guys, mag-update ako using the product. Okay? So, if you like this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And of course, guys, huwag niyo magkalimutan mag-subscribe sa akin channel. There's a red tick for subscribe. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell para once I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so that's all. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.